Colin just shot a monster. You nailed him, mate. He is on the ground. Colin just shot a monster. Beautiful big 10-point sika stag. Absolutely fantastic. Alright, guess we go over and check him out. Well, here he is, guys.
Absolutely wrapped. Come over here to see if I get myself onto these sika. I didn't expect I'd end up with something like this, quality of this. Absolutely fantastic.
He is a cracker. Very even 10, which is really awesome. I think the stag will easily go in the 80s. Magnificent. He's probably got 11 and a half inch browse, which is just awesome. So we're pretty tickled on a pretty wet, shitty day that we've got here. Who says you can't shoot sika in the rain, eh? You never know. It can happen if you get out there and get in amongst it. Not that pleasant though, is it? No. You going to say something?
I can't feel it.
You can't feel it?
I can't feel it.
No.
No, absolutely fantastic. What can I say?
First day too.
Yep, first day.
Not going to pass on a stag like this on the first day. Absolutely no way.
It's never going to happen.
No, we saw. This would be the 6th stag we've seen. Yeah, and a couple of them were quite nice too, just quietly, but not quite as nice as this one. So, it's all good. All right, onward.
Onward and upward.